I had quite extensive work done on my mouth prior to coming here. I've always had bridges. I mean, I had my own teeth, primarily the uppers, but the molars in the back, that's where the bridges were basically placed. Over the years, a bridge would break, and I came to the point where it broke in the way where I could no longer have a bridge put there because a tooth had to be extracted. And so a partial was then inserted, of which I had to take out and clean and put back in, just like a denture. I thought I was, seeking a regular dentist for follow-up care, and it was discovered that bacteria had gone into my gums and was affecting the top of the teeth, which meant that they had to be extracted, which led me to Dr. Leavitt. From day one when I came in, everyone was very, very receptive, very nice, informative, and considerate. He's very good about explaining what procedure he's going to do, so you're not left wondering what's going to happen to you. And so he made me feel very welcoming and very positive about the whole procedure. So I had no gray areas that would influence my continuing the project or not. The color is perfect, look totally natural. It's not that Hollywood white kind of thing. They feel totally natural, and I'm quite happy with the result. So it was very well done, and I have no regrets whatsoever.